The 3SqAir project, Sustainable Smart Strategy for Air Quality Assurance in Classrooms, aims to improve people's health by analyzing and intervening in the air quality of educational buildings in order to improve it. It is framed within the Interreg SUDOE program, and several entities from 4 different countries participate in it. The quality of the air we breathe has a direct impact on our health and causes allergies and respiratory diseases, mental fatigue and decreased concentration levels, which affect performance and intellectual productivity. Around 70% of European schools, which account for 1/5 of buildings in the tertiary sector, experience increases in CO2 levels beyond the maximum admissible at some point. For 3 years, professionals from different sectors and countries will work to reverse this situation, generating knowledge and methodologies that can be transferred to society in the form of health benefits. Thus, 3SqAir will achieve these objectives through a progressive sequence of phases, milestones, and results. The project will commence with an analysis of technologies and existing studies on the improvement of indoor air quality called IAQ, which will allow us to understand the current situation. One of the keys to the process will be the involvement of a great number of experts from all fields and their learnings. It is about them becoming an active part of the proposed solution. This network of experts will share information on best practices in each location through an open platform. The technical solution will consist of placing IAQ sensors in different educational spaces. The data generated will be stored and managed in an open-source IoT platform from where it can be accessed. On the ground, 6 pilot tests will be conducted, which will serve as the definitive test of the effectiveness of the proposals made. The pilot tests will be carried out in the 3 partner countries in the different spaces that make up the educational buildings. In Spain, Zubigune will develop its test in conventional classrooms, mechanical manufacturing workshops, and teachers' rooms. And the Donostia School of Architecture will carry them out in rooms for teamwork activities and conventional classrooms. In France, the Université Toulouse 3 Paul Sabatier will conduct its tests in different rooms equipped with different sensors for luminosity, temperature, energy, etc., and interconnected with the campus data network. And Therema will do so in a building for secondary education located in Gironde, Haute-Pyrénées, which houses up to 1,000 students. In Portugal, the spaces will be university classrooms and the kindergarten on the Alameda campus. And finally, in the Department of Mechanical Engineering of the SCTUC DME, the classrooms, teachers' offices and laboratories will be used. In addition to these actions, the 3SqAir project will generate a large amount of theoretical and practical knowledge that will be substantiated in numerous reports, studies, articles. Likewise, virtual and face-to-face meetings will be held, which will promote the debate on this interesting topic that affects public health. 3SqAir. Improve IAQ to improve life.